Director, National Disaster Management Office, Mr. Nrele Ningila, officials of the Ministry, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambula Binaka, and a very good morning to you all. It gives me great pleasure to be with you this morning for the official signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development, National Disaster Management Office, and Met Services, and the Fiji Red Cross Society for the construction of 4 storage bases for the disaster relief supplies and branch offices. The Fiji Red Cross Society and this ministry for decades have progressively committed towards working in partnership not only for national disaster operations but for humanitarian causes in improving and raising the livelihood of vulnerable communities. Therefore, I have no doubt in my mind that this MOU will indeed strengthen this undertaking so that the impact can be fully realized. After the devastation caused by Tropical Cyclone Winston in February last year, it became more evident that Fiji needed to be more vigilant and be better prepared. Winston being the strongest cyclone ever to hit Fiji, impacting over 60% of the country's total population, one of the key lessons learned from its aftermath was Fiji urgently needed to review its disaster preparedness, its management, and its operations. Fiji is committed to building resilience against these natural hazards, and government has taken a firm and committed stand to ensure that communities are safer and better prepared. The Fiji Red Cross Society plays a vital role during times of emergency, and the construction of these 4 storage bases will improve the overall efficiency of emergency operations, especially during the critical response and relief phases. The storage facilities and office spaces will, ensure that non-food related disaster emergency supplies are pre-positioned and ready for distribution during emergencies. 2, strengthen our ability to respond to disaster emergencies and to ably complement and support the work of the Ministry's disaster emergency operations. 3, to improve opportunities for effective and meaningful preparations for response, emergency relief and recovery operations. 4, provide a cushion to the adverse impacts of disasters to victims while awaiting government assistance to arrive. Lesson 5, lessen the impact of disasters on communities and assist with their quick recovery. And 6, provide additional fully equipped branches and offices to support and assist the divisional and district emergency operations center in divisions and the districts. These new facilities demonstrate the exceptional level of community commitment between the Fijian government and the Fiji Red Cross Society, with related functions as partners for disaster risk reduction and disaster emergency. At this juncture, I wish to acknowledge the generous assistance of the Fiji Red Cross Society and also reiterate that the ministry that I represent fervently support this MOU and its execution in its entirety. Thank you.